Hello, Hong Kong. It's
大家好，
Vlad,
香港
the DeFi lead, and Howard from the Ton Ventures.
Vlad, go ahead.
So today we're going to talk about the DeFi, the decentralized finance. But we will start from the story. You know our slogan, the crypto in every pocket. The last year, actually, that was games in every pocket because of the tap-to-earn applications. But this year, it could be the DeFi in every pocket. What exactly this means? It means actually savings in every pocket. And it means yield in every pocket. You're looking on the market, you're on the conference, but you're missing one most important part about the Ton DeFi. Why are you missing this? I fully understand you. Because of the tariffs, because of the price. Just remember yesterday how it was to 75, then to 80. How much time you spent checking your phone and the charts or the conference. And that's actually the market. The market distracts you because of the noise. You're actually missing that from summer 2024 till now, that's already 55 DeFi protocols on Ton from 12. So that's actually the slide from the Ton gateway from the 1st of November 2024. And this slide shows how the DeFi ecosystems looks on all of the chains, from Ethereum to Solana to Arbitrum, Optimism, Ton, even all of them. They do have the bridges, CDPs, IMMs, lendings, LSDs. That's the core of the DeFi. That's the DeFi heart. Then the second tier, there's all of the protocols which are built on top of the first one. And that's the slide from the Ton gateway when I showed actually that we do have the green one, the IMMs, lendings, LSDs, options, and the blue one, that's actually what we need to develop. And that's right now. The bridge is the layer 0, already live. It's soon going to be the AFT standard. The CDPs, there's the Aqua protocol. The yield tokenization, that's the FIVA. So we finished the functional layer of the DeFi ecosystem on this moment. Yield in every pocket. I know that's the slogan of the crypto in every pocket, but my slogan is the DeFi elite. That's a yield in every pocket. And we will discuss today how actually it's possible on Ton, how we could bring this to the billion of users. So the ecosystem of the DeFi tools on all other chains look like this. That's actually the construct. And you can prove this going to DeFi Llama. Opening the categories, you will see the top tier and the second tier. But for Ton, that's not enough. That's just the beginning for Ton. And now I'm going to show how actually the Ton ecosystem gonna look like to bring yield in every pocket. We will start with the different layers. The first layer of the Ton ecosystem, it could be the yield generation layer. So there is a layer of the projects which could generate as a yield. Let's have the examples. It could be RVA tokenized yield, like Midas, for example. It could be yield-bearing stablecoins, like SUSD from Ethena. Or it could be staking farming walls, like Kton or Ton stakers. And that's the real yield layer. So the second layer, that's what we explored before. That's the functional layer of the DeFi ecosystem. So that's the bridges, that's lendings, that's the DEXs, that's the yield trading, that's the swap aggregators. This layer help us to bridge the yield actually to the users. This layer give us the leverage. Any market without the leverage couldn't survive. This level bring us the ability actually to choose a token, to go with USDT, to whatever token we want. That's a functional layer of the DeFi ecosystems. That's what we finished right now. And the final layer, that's a retail ton mini apps layer. All of the applications like banking apps, savings apps, a PayFi with the credit cards, yield gaming applications. Why we do need this layer? Because usually on all other ecosystems, to have those two layers, it's enough. But we have the ability to distribute all of these functions to the billion users. The thing is that all of the native users, they don't understand how to use lending and borrowing, how to use DEXs, what's the impermanent loss there, what's the liquidation threshold, collateral factor. There is the Phrygian words for them. And we need to simplify all of these functions and all of these yields, bringing into the one simple button, save money, invest. That's for what we need to have the Telegram retail ton mini apps layer. So that's actually our roadmap for 2025, to bring the yield to the user. That's actually why I think our slogan, that's the yield in every pocket. And that's the idea of the tires. So if anybody of participants here or your friends building something from each of the layer, just take someone from the Ton Foundation, connect, and we can help you to grow your protocol. We need more retail applications, more core DeFi applications, and more real yield applications. That's the vision, and that's the idea for this year. And we need to build the major use case, like not coin for gaming, but the use case of retail DeFi. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you，掌声送给二位。Thank you，Thank you，Thank you，Vlad。